Prime Minister Narendra Modi today distributed more than 51,000 appointment letters to newly inducted recruits through video conferencing. The Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare released the first advanced estimates of production of major kharif crops for 2023-24, expecting the food grains production of the country to be at over 1,485 lakh metric tons. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people of the country and abroad in the Man Ki Baat program on Akashwani at 11 am tomorrow. India on Friday abstained in the UN General Assembly for voting on a draft resolution submitted by Jordan that called for an immediate humanitarian truce between the Israel and Hamas terrorists in Gaza. In the Asia Para Games at Hangzhou in China, India's overall medal haul has surged to a historic 111 medal mark, comprising 29 gold, 31 silver and 51 bronze.